Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be solving this interesting radical equation. Now the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to say let the seventh root of y plus the square root of y squared plus 1 be equal to a, and also the seventh root of y minus the square root of y squared plus 1 be equal to b. That is, this is equal to a, while this is equal to b. Now upon substitution, I will know that therefore a minus b will be equal to 2. So this is our first equation. Since this is a, this is b, so we have a minus b is equal to 2. Now my next step now will be to what? Find ab. That means I have to multiply these two together. So say ab is equal to the seventh root y plus the square root of y squared plus 1 multiplied by 2. This is our a multiplied by b is this, so here will be what? Y minus the square root of, here's the seventh root also, y squared plus 1. Then that means this is multiplying this. Then we'll continue. We say ab is equal to, since they have the same power, that is the seventh root, we can use 1 for both of them. So we say seventh root then now we say open a bracket, y plus the square root of y squared plus 1, close our bracket, then open another bracket again for this. Here will be y minus the square root of y squared plus 1, and close our bracket. Now we say ab will be equal to the seventh root again. Now I'm going to expand this. Now upon expansion of this, I got minus 1. Since it is difference of 2 square, and I expand this, I got minus 1. So therefore we can say that what? ab is equal to the seventh root of minus 1 is minus 1. So ab is what? Minus 1. We have already gotten what? A minus b as 2. So now I'm going to solve these two together. That means a minus b equal to 2 and ab equal to minus 1. So I'm going to solve these two simultaneously. Now let's continue. Now from here, now from this ab equals to minus 1, now I can say that b is equal to minus 1 all over a. So I'm going to substitute this b equals to minus 1 over a in a minus b equal to 2. So I'll write this a first, minus, then b minus 1 all over a, so that means minus 1 all over a equal to 2. Then we continue. Minus times minus will give us plus, so here will become a plus 1 over a equal to 2. Then from here now I'm going to multiply the everything here now by what? A, to remove this fraction here. So here will become a multiplied by a plus 1 over a multiplied by a equal to 2 multiplied by a. Now a multiplied by a will give us what? A squared. Then plus 1 over a multiplied by a will give us 1. Then 2 multiplied by a will give us 2a. Then we continue. Now this equation is a quadratic equation, so I just have to arrange it. So here will become a squared minus 2a plus 1 equal to 0. Now I'm going to solve this quadratic equation using factorization method. So we'll continue. We'll say a squared minus a plus 1 equal to 0. Then we continue. Now the HCF between a square and a is what? A. So we say a, open bracket, a square divided by a is what? A. Then a divided by a is what? Minus 1. Then here we have a minus 1. That's this. Then minus a divided by a will give us what? Minus 1. Then we continue again, all equal to 0. Now, since we have a minus 1 here, a minus 1 here, now I can factorize. I can say a minus 1, open bracket, a minus 1 equal 0. Then since it is like this now, I can just simply say that what? A minus 1 is equal to 0. So if a minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore a is equal to 1. So we have gotten the value for what? A. Then now we can recall that the seventh root of y plus the square root of y square plus 1 is equal to a. Now from here, now I'm going to replace this a. Now since we have a as 1, so I'm going to put this as 1. So we'll write again now. The seventh root of y plus the square root of y square plus 1 will now be equal to a is 1, so we'll put 1 here now. Now my next step now would be to raise both sides to the power of 7 to remove this 7th root sign here. So I'm going to raise both sides to the power of 7. I'll raise here to the power of 7. Then I'll raise this 1 to the power of 7. Then we continue. Now from here now, this 7th power here, we divide this 7th root. So we now have y plus the square root of 7 square plus 1 equal to 1 raised to the power of 7 is what? 1. Then we continue again. Now I'm going to say that I'm going to take this y now to the right hand side. So we will now have the square root of y square plus 1 equal to 1. That's this 1 minus this 7. 1 minus y, I mean. Now my next step now, to remove this square root sign, I'm going to raise both sides to the power of 2. So I'll say, I'll raise here now to the power of 2. Then also, I'm going to raise this to the power of 2. Now, square sign, now this power here will divide this root sign. So we are now left with y squared plus 1 equal to. Then I will have to expand this. Upon expansion of this, I got 1 minus 2y plus y squared. Then now, next step now, I'm going to take everything in the right hand side to the left hand side. So right, y squared. Now this y squared, I'll take it close to this one. So here we y squared minus y squared. Then also, then this is 1 plus 1. So this plus 1, I'll take this 1 out close to it. So here will now be what? Minus 1. Then we have this minus 2y. I'll take it to the left hand side also. So it will now become plus 2y. Then all equal to 0. Now y squared minus y squared, that's 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. We are left with just 2y equal to 0. Then from here now I can say that y equal to 0 all over 2. Then from here we can see that what y is equal to 0. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.